That I wanted to make you aware of today is not specifically geared toward distance learning students or the work that you will do at Heritage Christian University, but it's the work we do through HCU Press and Cypress Publications that may bless you during your time at HCU, but also beyond in your ministry. We publish books, typically 8 to 12 a year, through both of our imprints. HCU Press is intended to be more academic and scholarly titles, and Cypress Publications are more popular level, maybe intended for a wider audience. Those are good for church Bible classes and personal devotional time as well. And so I wanted to show you where to access our catalog of titles so that you can purchase titles that you might be interested in online. Again, you go to our main website, www.hcu.edu, click the same three horizontal lines, and now you'll come down to publications. In this case, you would click the down arrow to reveal the subheadings. And let's start with HCU Press, and so you click on that link, and this will show you our catalog of titles under the HCU imprint. These, I think there are 14 currently that we offer. And so let's say here's our newest title, Counseling for Church Leaders, A Practical Guide by Drs. Bill Bagents and Rosemary Snodgrass. And so let's say you are interested in that book. You can select options, and this will pull up the book's main page with a description, pricing information, and then you can either choose the paperback copy, which is the default, and then select your quantity and add to the cart and check out as normal. Or if you'd like the ebook version, again, pricing information, quantity, add to the cart, complete the transaction, and then you will have instant access to the ebook version of the text. And so that is how you would complete a transaction. But let me take you back to Cypress Publications as well, so you can get a sense of the kind of titles that we offer through that imprint. So again, let's go to the three horizontal lines, Publications, Cypress Publications, and then I believe we offer around 20 right now. And so Dr. Ed Gallagher has this really interesting series called Chapters for Bible Teachers that is really well done, but several really good options for Bible class teaching, and a ton of stuff for personal study and devotion, biblical studies, theology, church history, and the like, counseling, ministry, evangelism. And so here are our options under Cypress Publications. And again, same thing. So if you're interested in Ed Gallagher's Jesus the Christ, Chapters for Bible Teachers, select options. This will pull up the option to purchase the print copy or the ebook, and you can complete the transaction as normal. If you are interested in purchasing a bulk order, and it can be 20 copies of the same title, or it can be 20 copies of 20, or a copy each of 20 different titles, you can get a bulk discount, and you can request that by emailing us at press@hcu.edu.